When it comes to trust, customers value quality. Berlia Electricals Private Limited is a leading manufacturer, supplier, and exporter of the complete range of HDPE, polyethylene, MDPE pipes, PLB duct pipes, and DWC pipes, and has a glorious history of growth and success since its inception in 1991. Our customers see us as a reliable, credible, responsive, and trustworthy brand. With an expertise in manufacturing and supplying a varied range of pipes and providing complete solution in areas like water supply, high pressure irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, wire ducting, sewage and drainage, Berlia Pipes has successfully met the changing market needs with quality products served with an essence of continual innovation. Our range includes pipes and fittings for a wide range of sizes and pressure classes, and we have a production capacity of manufacturing 4,000 metric tons of PE pipes annually. We provide just-in-time manufacturing with a well-established suppliers network across the country, which also assures best-in-class customized products at lowest prices. We ensure optimum quality with the latest machinery from the best manufacturers around the world, which makes us one of the most trustworthy brands in India.